Hello everyone. So today we're going to make something very different and something very exciting, especially for the young age group. Okay? So today's activity name is snow jar. Okay? As the name suggests, snow jar. So we're going to make artificial snow out of very interesting material. We have this diaper. Okay? We use this in everyday life. So how we have to use it, I'll explain it. So first, we start with the materials that are required. You'll require a bottle, okay, full of water. You require a glass or a jar you can take. Next is the diaper. Any diaper will do. And some decorative items. Not to forget that we need this food color or any other color, but make sure this is in liquid form, okay, and this bowl to mix our water and the material of the diaper. Okay, so we'll start. First we need to take out the cotton material out of this. So for this we're going to tear it from any one side this way. So we have this. So this material, this is known as sodium polyacrylate. The speciality or the advantage of this material is that it will take all the water and it will turn into a fluffy snow like substance. So this is the advantage and this is the material that we're going to use. So we'll take out entire material. So we'll plug this material and we will contain it in the bowl. So little by little. See, so we'll obtain something like this. So this is sodium polyacrylate. We have collected all the sodium polyacrylate in the bowl. Now next step is we're going to add water. Now moment we add water, it will start turning into fluffy. Now we have to be careful as to we have to simultaneously add water in small amounts and we have to keep on mixing this. So it will absorb water and it will start. See, it has started turning into fluffy like snow. See. So small amounts of water we require to add. Just keep adding. Now you can see it appears like snow. Yes, it has absorbed all the water and you can feel it by touching it. So it will also feel like snow. So now the next step is we are going to fill half of our jar with this snow. Okay, you can use your hand to fill it. This way. So we have filled this. Now this is not required. Now next step is that we're going to decorate this. For decoration purpose you can use this food color, you can use paint color, that is watercolor, provided it is in liquid form. So we're going to add this drop by drop into our snow. So I have used green color. You can see that I have started adding. Now after adding the color we'll get this type of snow. Okay, so further we need to decorate. If we need to decorate it further, we can use this thermocol balls or any other decorative material. For example, glitter can also be used. So we're going to put some thermocol balls. And we can also decorate further. We then close this jar. Now I have added some thermocol balls to decorate it. Now next thing is we can use these stickers. I am using these stickers to decorate it from outside. We can stick these around. Any of the stickers you can use. I have used star stickers. So these are some of the glasses, some of the jars that I have decorated earlier. So you can use these materials as well, and using these you can differently decorate your snow jars. So this was all. Thank you everyone.